Welcome everyone. I am Dr. Jogendra Kumar Nayak from the Department of Management Studies at I.I.T. Roorkee. This is a 30-hour course on international business which I have floated under the NPTEL program. This course is all about, what is international business. As you know, the famous personality Jack Welch from General Electric had said, in today's world we are living in a boundaryless organization, right? So the markets have shrunk and the whole world has become one single market. No wonder that you see today American companies and Japanese companies and everyone for that, Indian companies going other countries and trying to establish themselves. This is one area which is I would say the most dynamic area. Why it is dynamic? Because we are affected by the exchange rate, the volatility in the market and the huge fluctuations that is going on, right? So economies are tied, and with these fluctuations, if one does not understand well how to manage, then it would be possible that a company is doing everything correct but still not making profits or making losses for that, just because they do not understand how to manage the exchange rate or their finance. So in this course, we are trying to discuss through examples, through cases, about how the market should, how we should understand the market, how should we enter into different markets, for example, through joint ventures, through FDIs, and there are several other methods through which we can enter new markets, and what we should keep in mind when we are entering new markets, be it their cultural behavior, be it their economic and other issues. So that's the legal issues. So it becomes very important for firms to understand. Otherwise, there is a chance that you might offend the other people in the country where you are working. When you go through this, you will see there are different things we have covered in this course. For example, even the global supply chain, the global marketing, and the human resource for that. How should firms handle the human resource component? Because after all, they are very important and they are very sensitive issues, right? So looking into these factors, I have designed this course and I have tried to cover as much as possible. Now the question is, who should use this course, right? This course would be useful for anybody who just wants to, improve their knowledge, right? Because today, as I said, you are living in a globalized market. So when you are living in a globalized market, you need to understand how globalization is affecting everyone, right? So in this situation, every student, be it an undergraduate student in commerce or in business administration, people doing chartered accountancy, or students who are appearing for competitive exams like the University Grants Commission, National Eligibility Test in India, or UPSC, right? Or for any other government exams or other exams. So it can be very, very useful for them, so that they can learn these things, and I have tried to put everything in a capsule, in a nutshell, so that they find whatever they want from this course, they will find it here and it will be highly useful to them. So I'm sure students, after learning through this course, they can make a career in investment banking, they can make a career in, let's say, product management, they can make a career in banking, and this course will help them in that, right? So we will be meeting in the future, obviously, through the forums. So I'll take your questions on that also and answer you. But till then, I would wish you luck. Enjoy the course, learn as much as possible, and all the best. Thank you so much.